go over a pattern with you guys tonight, which is the Head and Shoulders on Intel. Now, Intel was one of those ones that I got into and put 50% return, low risk play. But I want to show you guys this particular pattern. Now, it's a bit iffy, but it's still there, okay? So we're going to go here, going to come here, we're going to draw this here, got the head, we got this next shoulder here, and then we got this last leg, okay? So let me bring that over, so zoom it up, and make it a little bit thicker. So, quick head and shoulders. Now, where it is right now is at a support level down here. Let me draw that back. Here and right here. And that's where we kind of got that bounce at and where we closed out on today. So, I'm going to put a line right up in here. So, if we get below this, we got this next level down here. We can bring this down at about $22 and, no, let me come down some more. $22.79. Okay, so what I was looking for with this one was that we potentially, where we are right now, depending on what it looks like in pre-market, whether it bounces here, retest this area up here at the tip of the shoulder, right here. Now we may push up here. Let me get the highlighter. So we might push up here. We could retest back down here, and then we could push back up, break above. You can get above here, then we can retest where we had that rejection up there. But if we can break above where they had this rejection in this area, let me put another line right up in here, then we can begin to retest this top right here, right up in there. So let me put a little here, there, okay? So this is just something to look for on Intel, okay? Low risk, you can get in with this one under $100 to kind of play it, but for more profits, you want to see more contracts or go deeper in the money. But also remember, this does not move in massive increments, so you will probably need more contracts to see some higher profit. But this is just something that I was watching when this pretty much played out like I expected, with hitting this little support level down here at the bottom, and we had that little rejection here. We began to push back up. Now we back here. So it's now a matter of how this thing plays out on tomorrow, and if it gets back above this, it will probably use that as a support. So let me show you. So we'll go from, so we might push up here, we might retest here or at this level, push up, break above it, and it may push back down to retest this level one more time before it tries to push back up here where that head is. Now we get above that, then we're back up here. Let me bring it over. We're back up here at this little top up here. Okay, so those are just some things to look at. And by the way, this is the 15-minute time frame.